barbell or trap bar for low back pain. Which one should you do? My name is Dr. Grant Elliott with RehabFix, here to talk to you about the differences between barbell and trap bar deadlift. With the barbell deadlift, this is kind of the traditional deadlift, although trap bars are starting to become very popular. So here are the main differences, okay? With a barbell deadlift, your center of gravity is farther forward, which typically requires more load on the low back. So think about it this way. If the bar is really close to me, I can stay a little bit more upright. If it's far away and I pull, it's gonna be a little bit more leverage, right? The lever arm's changing. But let's just say your form's neutral. As I'm pulling up from the floor, this is a traditional barbell deadlift. This is safe, there's nothing wrong with this, but if you're dealing with an acute low back issue, an acute low back flare-up, or you're trying to recover from that and get back to performance, get back to heavy lifting, barbell deadlifts might be a little bit more sensitive for you at first. So this is a traditional barbell deadlift. Just want you to get an idea for how my form looks. I'm hinging through the hips, all that good stuff. Now, with a trap bar deadlift, let's get that out of the way. With a trap bar deadlift, like I said, the closer the weight is under you, the closer to your center of mass it is. All right, it changes your center of gravity. So the center of gravity with this is not going to be as far forward. It's going to be closer to me, and that's going to allow me to be in a more upright position. So now, if I do a trap bar deadlift, because I can keep my arms to my sides, as you can see, I'm a little bit more like a squat. I'm a little bit more in a squat position as opposed to a deadlift position like this was with the barbell. Now I'm a little bit more upright, okay? So, for those of you who are struggling with low back issues, it might be a good idea to start with a trap bar just to build up your leg strength, build up your low back strength, make sure you're good and safe with this. And then eventually down the road, move on over back to the barbell deadlift, because that is a good thing to get strong with again, to know that, okay, the low back is resilient, it's bulletproof, and it can handle either one, so that you know that you're strong again, and you can do either one, nothing can hold you back, and you can just get right back in the gym and tear it up and live your life to the fullest. My name is Dr. Grant Elliott with RehabFix. I hope that you enjoyed this video differentiating between barbell deadlifts, trap bar deadlifts. Get back in the gym, guys. Let's get you strong. Let's fix your low back.